Is your speedometer acting completely crazy, or is your transmission shifting gears at all the wrong times while you are driving down the road? You might be dealing with a vehicle speed sensor issue, specifically indicated by the P0502 engine code. This trouble code means your powertrain control module, which is your main engine computer, has detected an abnormally low voltage input signal coming directly from vehicle speed sensor A. In systems with multiple sensors, sensor A is usually the primary one located on your transmission or transfer case. This sensor works magnetically, reading the notches on a spinning metal ring attached to your axle or transmission shaft. When the voltage signal drops too low, your computer loses track of how fast your car is actually moving. Because the computer relies on this speed data to control critical systems, the symptoms are usually very obvious. You will likely see your speedometer bouncing around erratically or dropping to 0 miles per hour even while you are moving. Your transmission might shift very harshly or refuse to shift into higher gears. Your check engine light, traction control light, and anti-lock braking system lights will illuminate on your dashboard. In many cases, your anti-lock brakes and traction control will be completely disabled. The causes for this low input code can be electrical or mechanical. A very common cause is a thick buildup of metal shavings on the magnetic tip of the speed sensor, which blocks the signal. You could also have a defective speed sensor, broken wiring near the transmission, or damaged metal teeth on the spinning ring inside the transmission. Sometimes, if you recently had brake or suspension work done, the sensor wiring might have been accidentally damaged. To fix this, you should start by safely getting under the vehicle and inspecting the wiring harness going to the speed sensor on the transmission. Look for any melted plastic, cut wires, or corrosion at the plug. If the wiring looks intact, remove the sensor and check the magnetic tip for metal debris. Wiping the metal shavings off might solve the problem. If the sensor is clean, use a digital multimeter to test the electrical resistance of the sensor itself. Because properly diagnosing this code often requires jacking the vehicle off the ground, running the drivetrain in the air, and using an advanced oscilloscope to read live waveform data, you should definitely take your vehicle to a professional mechanic if a simple cleaning does not work. Driving without a working speed sensor is unsafe, so get it repaired as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.